Well, any of you that follow our channel know that we love to travel with Jasper, but sometimes it's a little limiting to travel with a dog to find places that you can hike and explore, but we have found an area that we cannot wait to share with you.
We are in Breckenridge, Colorado, and this is one of our absolute favorite places to come to do adventures with our dog. So we're going to share with you today 5 reasons that we think Breckenridge, Colorado is a spectacular place to come travel with your furry friend. The first reason that we think Breckenridge, Colorado is an awesome place to adventure with dogs is the outdoor eating opportunities. There are so many outdoor patios where you can eat with your dog, and it's even encouraged by the restaurants. Many of them will bring dog bowls of water out to your pooch, and it's never a problem that your dog is with you. A couple of our favorite places that we like to go with our dog, we love the Whiskey Star Smokehouse. If you want barbecue, this place is awesome. It has such great food, and my favorite thing off of that menu, you've got to try this, is the sweet tea salmon. I know that sounds strange, but oh my gosh, I think that may be the best piece of salmon I have eaten in my life. We also have fun eating breakfast at Daylight Donuts. Now, yes, it's a donut shop, but they serve full breakfast where you can get eggs and biscuits and gravy and pancakes, all the stuff. So there are all kinds of choices, but outdoor eating, reason number 1 why Breckenridge is great to come with your dog.
The second reason why Breckenridge is a great place to travel with your dog is the shopping. All up and down Main Street, there are wonderful stores. You can buy shirts and hats and sunglasses and all kinds of things, and nearly every store is dog friendly. Many of them even give out dog biscuits, or they'll have dog bowls of water in front of each location. It's really fun to bring your dog inside and explore all the awesome shopping right here in Breckenridge.
Reason number 3 that Breckenridge is a great place to come travel with your dog is the bike trails. In a lot of places, dogs aren't allowed on trails, but in Breckenridge, they have miles of paved recreational bike trails. You can ride your bike all the way from Breckenridge to Vail. You can ride it from Breckenridge to Keystone, Breckenridge to Frisco, all over the place, and dogs are allowed. So we've got Jasper with us today in the trailer, and we're heading down to Frisco.
The fourth reason to come to Breckenridge with your dog is for the awesome hiking. We are at the Blue Lake Trail. We're way up high. We're at about the tree line. There's snow around us even in the summertime. The wind is crazy up here, but it is a blast. And this is a trail that is dog friendly, like many of them in the area. We used to love to go to national parks, and they are of course stunning, but most national parks do not allow you to take your dog on any of the backcountry trails. Luckily, there are so many places in the Breckenridge area that you can get out in the backcountry and hike with your dog.
The fifth reason that we think Breckenridge, Colorado is fabulous for pets is that dogs can ride on the gondola up the mountain. That doesn't happen hardly anywhere that we have gone where there are gondola rides. And we just think that is super cool. This gondola in Breckenridge is free, doesn't cost anything, and it's a neat way to get to see further up the mountain and get some awesome views. And it's kind of like an amusement park ride, really. And it's not Jasper's favorite thing, but we like to go, and he's doing a pretty good job.
Just so you know, there is some sort of bobbing and swaying that happens on the gondola. So if you're prone to a little bit of motion sickness, you might want to take some Dramamine. That's what Cindy did in preparation for our ride today. So that wraps up our 5 reasons why it's awesome to bring your dog to the Breckenridge area.
Yep, you can take them to the restaurants, you can take them into the stores, you can take them on the biking trails. There are so many dog-friendly hiking trails, and you get to ride the gondola.
This is a great place to come explore, so get out there because today is an adventure day.